slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
All right, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Yes, as you see in the thumbnail, this is it. This is it. This is it. It's official. It's going down. I'm putting the downpipes right there. I'm putting the downpipes in the CLS. It is happening. I don't know how it's going to happen because these downpipes, like I said, were messed up that I got. And so we're going to do some cutting. And then this obviously going to have to extend into another day because I'm going to have to go to the muffler shop to get some welding done. But I'm putting it in. My mounts are here. It's a Thursday afternoon. I'm just like, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm tired of waiting. I don't want to wait for this weekend. I'm just going to do it. I need to get these motor mounts in. I haven't been driving the car because the mount been messed up and I don't want to mess the car up like I did on the last one. So I'm going to throw these mounts in. I'm going to get these downpipes in and just follow along, man. I didn't want to even make a video right now. I'm not even ready for it. I was like, I got to get this content. Got to get this content. So yes, it's going down. Don't mind my garage. We're doing laundry. You know, but yeah, let me show you. So basically, as you can see, these downpipes were on a CLS and they did some messed around and cut some shit and I don't know. So I'm gonna have to cut my pipes and then just stick it in there, I guess, until I can go get it welded, which is annoying. I wish I could have them interchangeable, but someone welded them and there's nothing I could do about it. So, and I tried to buy clamps, but the exhaust that I have on there, which I'll show you in a bit, is too small for the clamps. So I'm thinking that it might just slide right into that pipe, which would be dope if it slides in and then I can just get it welded. It'd be real easy. So yeah, and then like I said, the motor mounts themselves are right here. So OEM mounts. So I got each of them. Really just need to do the driver's side, but I was like, I'm going to be in there. You might as well just replace them both. So they have some miles on them, so you might as well, you know what I mean? So yeah. Those are them. Yeah, the car's in here looking sexy. And I got wheels, and they should be here tomorrow or the next day, and that's why I'm hesitant. I'm like, should I even do this if my wheels are here tomorrow and the car's up and I can't go get them? I'm gonna be super annoyed, but I'm confident that I should be able to get this done. I've done it before a handful of times. I've done downpipes on a couple different CLSs, and I've done motor mounts on a couple CLSs on like mine and a few other people. So I'm pretty sure she'll be able to get this knocked out. But the car's looking sexy. Let's get into today's video. I'm like stressing low-key. But let's just do it. I know I look crazy. I get paid tomorrow. I'm going to get a haircut. I'm going to stop looking like I'm a homeless guy. Just, gee, you know what I mean? Bear with me, okay? Let's get this CLS sounding like a jet. Yo! So this is what it's going to look like. Got the jacks. Going to put some jack stands into there. But I got her pretty high off the ground. Let's see if we come over here. You can see. Ooh. Yeah. All right, let's get under her. Okay, so we're under the car now. I'm gonna get some PV blaster and start hitting some of these bolts right here. These are the little 10 mils. I'm gonna knock those out, and then I have to get that crossbar off down there as well. And then the factory downpipes have some hardware that holds them up, so I gotta get that off. And then you can see up in there, I don't know if you can. I gotta get some PV blaster on that. And then we gotta get the O2s, of course, off. On this side, there's more light. So yeah, but they look kind of rusted on there, so I'm gonna have to definitely hit them with PV blaster. For the motor mount, it's gonna be that big inverted Torx right there, and then down here on the subframe there's going to be a bolt there and a bolt here. And then just once you loosen these two bolts and you loosen that bolt, you just kind of jack the motor up, and when the downpipe's out of the way, you're able to pull it out, put the new one in. So anyways, that's what I'm going to be working on right now. I got my little tool set up right here, everything I'm going to need. I'm going to start by, like I said, hitting everything with just PV Blaster. Get everything blasted. But overall, the block looks pretty clean. Transmission, everything looks pretty good. You can see the motor, so it's nice. I already have a video of doing this job already, so I'm not really trying to go in depth. I'm just bringing you guys along for the content, like I said. And I'm doing this shit in my garage with Harbor Freight tools. Let's see what headaches I run into. Last time I did mine, these bolts all stripped out, and I had to run my own bolts. That was such a pain in the ass on mine. Yeah, and these O2s are super delicate, so they're really annoying to work on. So yeah, always something. All right. Okay, so I got the cutter out. I measured this. This extends 5 inches from the actual mounting of where the original pieces. So what I'm going to do is on the car, I'm going to cut it only 2 inches past. So that way, hopefully that pipe will slip in since it's smaller. Currently, this downpipe right here is already unbolted and ready to go. And the O2 sensors are off. So I'm just going to come down here now and measure and cut and then remove it. And then remove the motor mount as well, and then test fit the new downpipe. So wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I mean, worst case scenario, I'll drive it with open downpipe for a day. I mean, I don't even drive it anyways. It just sits in the garage, so. All right, let's just do it. Fuck it. So the only thing is you can see is that they're different lengths from the factory right here. So it was a straight cut, but factory, this is different in length, the downpipe. So I need to check and see if the aftermarket ones are equal length or different. I mean, they should be the same. It should be one's longer than the other. So if that's the case, I would cut right here. Let's see. Well, that cut like butter. So looks like there's no going back. So you can see that's cut. They're separated. So now let's get this downpipe out and go from there. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. So I'm wondering if I should have cut more, to be honest. I don't know. Unless this is also, I mean, I guess this needs to go up a little bit more like that. I don't know, it's gonna be pretty close. We'll see where it actually lines up. I don't know. I might have needed to cut this more to like here, because my hope was that this would slide on, because this is 3 inch and this is 2 1/4. So this is way smaller on that side. So I was hoping this would slide all the way in, which it still might. I don't know. I'll have to test fit right now. But I gotta take that motor mount out first. Okay, so I got the mount out, and I just want you guys to see what the difference is here. So basically, if you look at this one, it doesn't look blown, and the, what do you call it, still squishy. But if you look, it got lots of play. This one, I can't move it at all. Nothing at all. Crazy. Okay, here's the update. I got the motor mount back in, and I got the downpipe in. Yes, look at my face. I got anti-seize. Oh my gosh. Working into this crazy night right now. It's a freaking work night, school night, work night, you know what I mean? But yeah, just chopping up this AMG. All right, yeah, so we're gonna put this one on now. Well, we gotta get the other one out, but let's see, let's go under here, show you guys where we're at. So just chopped it, and if you look at the other one, the other one's on, but it overlaps, you see it? So it's gonna be rattling in there, but that'd just be super temporary. Literally get it welded tomorrow. And then, so yeah, so that's how I'm doing it. And then, so let me see if I can turn around under here. Let's see, so here we go. That downpipe is in all the way with the new motor mount. And so this one you can see has the cat still. That one, no cat. So, with the brand new motor mount. So, time to get this one out. I already got the O2 sensors off. And it's unbolted and it's cut, so I'm just gonna take those two main bolts out. Hopefully they don't strip. Yeah, working under here, not a lot of room, but I got jack stands and jacks and some light. We're almost there. Hopefully I cut it at the right spot, and hopefully it doesn't strip these two bolts. My CLS, like I said, stripped, so far this has been going smooth, fingers crossed. I put this in, like I said, it's gonna rattle like crazy. It's gonna be super loud and annoying for like a day. Okay, and that's it. This downpipe is in. This downpipe is fully in. There it is. It's gonna rattle like crazy. It's touching that little cross member, and yeah, it's not welded over there, but it is on. So now I could put the car down on the ground and then at least fire it up. Okay, and she is back on the ground. Let's go for this first start. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous because I don't know what it's gonna sound like. I don't know if it's just gonna be rattling like crazy. Ugh. All right, fuck it. Let's do. I already washed my hand. Well, my back of my hand's dirty, but I washed my hands. Woo! Get this thing out of the way. Oh yeah, we're sitting slammed, Luke. From the air trying to adjust from it being lifted. All right, let's do this. Ready? I am literally out of words. That's all I can say. Guys, it sounds freaking amazing. It's like 11 o'clock at night, so I cannot be revving. It is way too loud. I will end the video here so that way I can get another video when we go to the muffler shop and get it fixed, and we can do some driving clips and some POV of that. But right now it's too loud to try to be driving it around. It's crazy. But did you hear the turbos, the turbskis? Anyways, you guys, I appreciate everybody who stayed this long in the video. For the ones that did, they actually got to hear it. Most people says that they only watch for a few minutes and then they dip. Well, that's your guys' loss if you didn't. But yeah, I'm super pumped with the way the CLS is turning out. I cannot wait for the wheels. The wheels are coming. They should be here either tomorrow or the next day, like I said. And oh my gosh, it's gonna make the whole car look insane. And now with the exhaust, it's over. It's got the dopest CLS around right now. So hell yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Drop a comment on what you guys think. Does it sound like a damn school bus or what? And yes, I will have a haircut for the next video. Jeez, I know I look like a bum, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? We out here grinding. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. You.